Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top 5 best iPhone 14 Plus clear cases 2022 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. If you like to purchase new technology as soon as it becomes available, we have something for you with the upcoming release of the iPhone 14 Plus. If you've already made the decision to pre-order the $900 iPhone 14 Plus, we advise saving up a little extra cash to get a clear, protective cover to safeguard your priceless new gadget. Here are some of the best iPhone 14 Plus cases currently available on the market. So let's begin. 5. ESR Clear Case. Different types of clear casings are available. Ones like this ESR case, or those with hardbacks, colored sides, or just plain and simple ones. It is a standard, flexible clear case for the iPhone 14 Plus that fits snugly. You won't notice any additional thickness when using the phone because it is slim. However, because it is shiny, you should anticipate some slipping. We don't advise purchasing this case if you frequently drop your phone. The ESR thin clear case can guard against scuffs and scratches, but we're unsure how well it stands up to drops. Additionally, because it is entirely composed of TPU, it will inevitably turn yellow over time. 4. COLLOY Fusion. With the help of this wrinkly anti-fingerprint case, keep those bothersome fingerprints off your phone. It provides reliable protection against all those unintentional impacts thanks to its tough polycarbonate matte finish rear panel and TPU bumper frames. The clear back makes it easy to display your iPhone. You can choose any screen protector to use, and wireless charging is also supported. An ultra-durable polycarbonate matte finish back panel and TPU bumper frames provide security. In addition to being easy to grasp and smudge-proof, the frosted finish is easy to clean and is easy to maintain. 3. ESR Air Armor. ESR cases enter the picture at this point and alter the scenario. This robust and sturdy case gives sturdiness and protection to your iPhone, unlike clear cases, which are frequently light, frail, and offer less protection. If you want to show off the elegance of your iPhone while using it in a harsh environment, the ESR Air Armor case might be your best option. Strong camera guard and raised screen edges prevent scuffs and other damage. The case is thin enough to allow you to wirelessly charge your phone while wearing it, ensuring that your phone is always safe. The crystal clear acrylic back resists scratches and never fades to display your phone's genuine style in beautiful clarity that lasts. 2. OtterBox Symmetry Case. Your iPhone 14 Plus with these symmetrical cases are a marriage made in heaven. The cases are constructed of an antibacterial substance, have rounded edges to help you hold your iPhone more securely, and are available in a variety of colors. Protect your phone from microorganisms that are invisible to the naked eye with this transparent case. The ultra-sleek and fashionable iPhone 14 Plus clear cover works with wireless and mag-safe charging stations and is manufactured with more than 50% recycled plastic, built-in magnets. 1. Apple Clear Case with Mag-Safe. What may be superior to Apple's official cases that support MagSafe? The best transparent cases for the iPhone 14 Plus are those listed above. Additionally, because these come directly from the manufacturers, you don't need to worry about the fit and finish of them. Consider purchasing one of Apple's clear cases if you want to be certain of the case's fit, quality, and finish. It will be obvious. The casing easily covers the buttons and is made with a combination of flexible materials and optically clear polycarbonate. Both the interior and exterior have been coated with a scratch-resistant material on the surface. So guys, this was the video about the best iPhone 14 Plus clear cases. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.